Okay, another dog day with Dave the Usher and friends. That's my dog Bailey right there. And it's snowing out. It's like mid-March, and quite honestly, I pretty much think this is the last snow we're gonna have of the season. Right, Bailey? I think Bailey hates snow. And that is a dog I'm just kind of watching for a couple days. It's a Portuguese water dog. Same one the president has, actually. And his name is Lobo. Lobo, how you doing, Lobo? What's going on out here? Let's go see. Let's go see. We're gonna check things out? Lobo, are we gonna check things out? Lobo is very interesting. I haven't really known too many Portuguese water dogs. He's a very interesting guy. Very curious and like very cautious, and I don't know. He's a happy guy. Lobo. Lobo, what? Go on out over there where Bailey is. So we have a little snow action to close out the winter, which did I mention was disappointing? Right, Bailey? Bailey? Yeah? Doing the biz. This is where your long hair comes in handy, Chihuahua. What's funny about these two guys is they continuously mark each other's spots. Right, Lobo? Lobo. Lobo. What? What are you doing? Where did Bailey go? God, Bailey. Bailey gets more and more adventurous every day, I feel sometimes. He just travels out. I don't even know where he went. Bailey? Oh. He's over there. Oh, he's behind that bush. Bailey! Let's walk the path here, shall we? Bailey! Hey! What are you doing over here? First of all, Lobo is like out of the picture. What are you doing over here? Let's go. Come on, let's go. Oh, man. Footprints. Come on, Lobo. Ah. Here, over here. This thing's getting caught, Lobo. How you doing, buddy? Here, around this way, buddy. Yep, nope. See, it's like a maze. Follow the line back. I wish dogs understood this. There we go. What do you think, Lobo? Hasn't it been a disappointing winter? Has it been a disappointing winter, Lobo? Lobo is very happy. Lobo is like always happy. Lobo? Lobo. Who's happy? Sometimes he'll just stand and just kind of look. He'll just stand and look and wait. And then Bailey wants to go inside, so maybe we should do that. Oh, man. Dog day with Dave the Usher.